Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. We are at Ramada by Wyndham Arpora Goa. After staying 3 nights at Ramada, I'm going to share this review. The property is like we can say in the center and very nearer to Kalangut Beach and Baga Beach, and all the facilities and amenities are too good, especially the cleanliness of the swimming pool and लेविस बुफे ब्रेकफास्ट. मैं वीडियो में सब कुछ आपको बताऊंगा, मैं पूरा ब्रेकफास्ट भी आपको दिखाऊंगा. दिस इज जस्ट एन ओवरव्यू. I genuinely appreciate the hospitality of the staff, the way they treat the guest. It's really appreciable, and I genuinely like it. You can see the view outside.
I'm distressed, but I kept searching for your track.